Casey's moving here, and I'm giving him a test to see if he can get us to our location through the subway, so that he doesn't get lost on the subway like I did for months and months and months, so he can be safe. Look at the ceiling. It's so random. I have no idea why the subway stop is like this. Alright, so we're gonna see if he can do it. Okay.
Hang with
Got
us.
it? Alright.
Hang with me. This makes it easy.
But sometimes it can screw you up. You gotta pay attention. Are you looking at what the thing says? Good job. Good job.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Hey babe. What's happening right now? Where'd that come from?
The boob sweat, you're not looking at me. The boob sweat is real. It's real, guys. It exists.
She wanted me to use her shirt to wipe it off.
It's boob sweat season, and I'm not happy about it because I look disgusting. It's disgusting. But I have this to cover it up, but then I'm gonna pass out because of the heat. So
No.
I have to choose one.
It was my shirt almost.
Yeah. I need your shirt.
She's lucky, y'all.
Literally, I'm
I'll
like
throw
going
it
like
down.
this in a public place.
And it drips.
If this happens to you, please comment down below. Let me know. It's disgusting. Is it recording?
Yep.
Okay, so this that I have to cover myself, I just took the sleeves and I put it under, just like this.
Solution, Sue.
Solution, Sue. Thank you, Sue. Solution, Sue.
Brilliant. That's double major right there. Almost
Not just
masters.
a hat rack, my friend. Yeah,
Not just a hat
I went to
rack.
college.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. I know how to fix things. Yep. And Casey.
That's critical thinking skills.
Yeah, these are good.
That's what
this
they
is thinking
teach.
on the spot. I feel like I could be a mom too. Like I feel like this is good mom. Like thinking really quick. You know, solving a problem.
Improvisation.
Yeah. And Casey's doing well. What stop are we getting on that?
I think 9 more. We're stopping 77th Street.
Good job.
Things
are going well.
Things are going well.
Now things
Except for the sweat. But
I fixed it.
fixed it.
Fixed it. Everything's fine.
We're good.
Everything's fine. Everything's gonna be fine.
I really did it fine. So we're walking the streets. This is my view.
Kept it on. Thought I was just gonna keep it on for the subway, but nope.
Kept it on.
It's a sign of a healthy body.
Big pores, people, big pores.
Sweating is a sign of a healthy body, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. We're on the Upper East Side.
There's a nice breeze going.
I don't
Running
care.
to people.
It's a perfect example of how much I don't give a shit about what people think.
Yeah. I'm gonna start doing it on my.
I had a boob sweat, everybody. Instead of you, instead of you, instead of you. Everybody's dying right now with boob sweat. It's just nobody's taking action.
And I got a little boob sweat going on myself.
No, you don't even know what it's like. It's terrible. It's horrible. Okay, turn it off.
Just got sweat everywhere. Alright guys, so I don't know if you saw Stacy's Facebook post last night giving me a lot of shit about racing boats in the pond where Stuart Little was. But I'm just gonna pan over here before I show her embarrassed face.
Stop.
And now here's.
It must be a
her.
special day. They don't do this. It's not a thing. I've never
I see
once
like
seen a boat.
at least
No,
a
I've
good
never
10 to
seen a
12 sailboats right
I've
now.
never seen a boat in that. No.
So
It must be it's a special occasion.
she owes me a
No,
lot.
it's a special occasion.
And special occasion or not,
No, it's a special occasion.
Stuart Little was a special
Stop.
occasion.
No, it's a special occasion. That's what's happening.
There we
Now, I don't
go.
know what's happening. I don't
We're
know why
going to
you're
the
here.
famous Stuart Little pond.
Oh, God.
Alright, to be continued. So, if you look in the ahead, I see these floating things. I don't know what they are.
No.
They look kind of like boats.
Stop.
Maybe one's like a motor tugboat looking thing.
Oh my God.
I hope that tugboat runs over that person's sailboat.
Oh yeah, right.
Oh, you can rent
I don't know
them?
what the hell this is. What? Stop.
Oh my God. Alright.
Yeah, you can rent them. But
Look at that blue one.
Oh my God. Okay.
That's like
We're
a
done.
battleship.
All right, you won. You
a
won.
battleship.
You won.
We're at brunch right now at the boathouse in Central Park. This is our view. Notice there's no racing boats in this one.
I was right on that.
Yeah.
I solved the first one problem.
Lots of backup. But we're thinking about maybe renting a rowboat after brunch, depending on our food coma status. Or there's like some Venetian style boats that we can get paddle around on, so we'll see.
I know this makes me look like a tourist right now. This is like one of my favorite brunch restaurants. I rarely get to come here, so I have to show you guys my food. Eggs Benedict, salmon eggs Benedict with truffle, vegetables. Casey's got
French toast, fresh fruit,
some French toast.
pineapple
What is
mojito.
that? Pineapple mojito. Mine's a Bellini. We're about to do a boomerang cheers, of course. Of course.
That's our thing.
It's our thing. It's my thing. All the time. This is Casey being a tourist before he actually moves here. This is the one time I'll allow it, but when you become a resident, no more taking pictures of the Little Italy sign.
I can't embarrass you.
I don't think that they can see it. You might get, I don't know. Yeah, we'll get closer. Oh, they blocked off the road, so. Perfect.
My goal is to one day, when people ask me how to get places on the subway, answer it like that.
That's your goal?
It did not pop.
All right, it's still my goal, but I still can't do it. Can't do it at all.
Today we've been asked like 3 times, 4 times at least.
I know, we're like, oh, we're from California.
Shoot.
Anytime
We're doing Apple Maps ourselves.
Anytime I absolutely don't know, I'm like, oh, I'm from California. I don't live here.
I'm a tourist.
There. Now you can see it. Welcome to Little Italy.
These guys put on their space case backwards.
Casey,
Photobomb,
Jesus
man.
Christ.
Jeez.
Oh my God.
That car just photobomb.
Okay, we're at dinner. I got the lobster fettuccine. What'd you get?
Crispy fish tacos.
Crispy fish tacos. No surprise there. And I got an avocado and kale salad on the side. That looks so good. Look at that. It's beautiful. Those are beautiful avocados.
Gorgeous avocado.
Yeah, that's so pretty.
It's like
oh my God.
GMO avocado.
Stop. God. Alright, now we're done with dinner. Done with dinner, so it's
Tourist time.
really lit up now.
Tourist round 2.
Welcome to Little Italy. Oh, car. Out of the way. We're like, what is it? Crosswalk?
Crosswalk karaoke? Or,
No, crosswalk.
Crosswalk musical?
Yeah, crosswalk musical. Wait, is it crosswalk musical? Broadway? I don't know which is important. Whatever. Comment down below. We don't know.
Crosswalk musical, right?
Maybe it is crosswalk musical. I don't know. Ooh, someone's getting picked up in a limo.
Oh, bougie.
Very
You ready to
bougie.
do my little Italian in front of the Little Italy sign?
Yeah. There's been a death in the family. There's been a death in the family today. I was going to work with Melt eyeshadows today. And he, right there, Cassius decided to come and knock everything over, and now one of them has died, and it was the one called Gunmetal. And I literally laid on the ground for like 10 minutes next to it, like mourning it and crying. And now Casey's trying to fix it, or at least get it off the carpet. It's literally like charcoal.
Yeah, it's like the worst color.
It's like the worst color you could have done.
To drop.
It could have been this one. It could have been that one. Oh my! Look at him. You don't even know what you did. You ruined everything right now. You don't even know what you did. I think he does, and he's just proud of it.
Clean this up, human.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What do you need?
A makeup wipe.
A makeup wipe? Oh my god. We're trying white wine vinegar because we saw it online with a toothbrush.
Slowly but surely.
No, I don't know.
2 weeks later, it'll be
out.
Still visible.
But look at him. Gives no fucks. Look at him. Look, he's just watching you.
That's right, human.
Oh my god, this is terrible. I'm gonna have to get like a miniature rug to like cover this.
Little foot rug.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Where are we going?
We are going. I feel like I have to shout now. Oh my god. We're in the subway station and we're going to go to Brooklyn to look at like a Jewish culture.
Community, right?
Like an Orthodox Jewish culture. Because I want Casey to see it. Because it's like.
Historic, yeah.
It's historic, yeah. Because they. I mean, not that we're being creepy about it, like a lot of people do it, but they, a lot of Jewish people escaped the Holocaust and they went straight to Brooklyn. And so Brooklyn's like known for having
Like the home, or like the...
Huh?
Like the home, right? What it said?
The home?
Like the home for like the Jews.
The home for the Jews?
No, is that what the internet said? Like it's known as like the home, like in New York.
Yeah, okay, so sorry.
The boroughs, yeah.
Yeah, so a lot of the Jews escaped the Holocaust and came to Brooklyn. Yeah, and so that's where they say it's like the home of like Jewish culture, mainly the home of Jewish culture in the United States is Brooklyn. And they're called ultra-Orthodox Jews, where they have like the curls and stuff, and they wear the big hats, and the women wear wigs and they wear dresses, like they look Amish almost, but yeah, it's just like a really cool thing to see. And they...
Is it Borough Park?
Yeah, Borough Park, I think. And then they have like a lot of kosher, like delis and stuff like that, so we're going to check it out.
Hold on, adventure time.
Yes, and my outfit...
She's so hot.
No, stop. This is bargain shopping. This is from Forever 21 on sale. Ooh. This is from Chinatown. And this is from Chinatown.
Oh. And this is from Chinatown.
You can look good on a budget, people.